Which drink should I pick? I'll take the strawberry. One fine drink later. I'm full. I guess I should take a nap. After he takes his nap, I'll take the Pepsi. Sure thing. Who said that? I did. Okay. I'm the most popular drink you'll ever taste. Well, I'm glad to hear that because I am thirsty from all that sleeping and snoring. Wait, you were sleeping and snoring? I'm on a vacation. Ha, Hawaii. But I need a drink. Oh, you would taste him. That's right, I'm lemonade. Security. I need a drink. I said I need a drink. I'm so thirsty. I said I need a drink. What about me? Mash candy? No thanks. I got Skittles. I'll take the mash candy. One fine Skittle taste later. That was refreshing. Well, I'm gonna sleep again. One fine hour of snoring. I need a drink. Okay, I don't need a drink. I'll just be snoring again. Thank you for watching.